Today, we're going to learn how to use ChatGPT 5.5 completely free. I'll show you the process step by step, so make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started.
Open Google search bar and type Gumloop. Click the first link. To create an account, now click the Get Started button. Now click Continue with Google. Select your Gmail and continue. Close this button. Now click Continue button. Select YouTube. Click Continue. I select Engineering and then click Continue. And select all one by one. Click Continue button. Again. Now click Continue button. Click Skip. Okay, my account is created. Here you can see the credits. In the right side, you can see Agent Preferences. From Recommended drop-down button, you can see Anthropic Claude 4.8 Opus. I click OpenAI. Here you can see GPT 5.5 and other model. I select GPT 5.5 and click on Save button. In the message box, I write prompt to create an image for a young boy play bicycle in New York Road. Now click to run. Okay, see, our image is generated. You can see the quality. You can also download this image. You can see the credit cost for this image. Now I upload an image and write prompt for it. And hit enter. Here you can see the image. And our image description and prompt is ready. So now you know how to use ChatGPT 5.5 for free.